Here we go, full send. What's going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name's AJ, and for those of you that don't know, I have Stradman's Audi R8. And in the last video, if you haven't seen it, we have a check engine light on the car. So not the greatest news, but it's okay. Part of exotic car ownership. Good days, bad days, yada yada. In today's video, we are going to take it over to Spartech Performance, and we are going to get it checked out. In the last video, went to O'Reilly's, just have the code read, just to make sure it wasn't anything like crazy serious. Don't think it is, based on what they said. But we're gonna have Spartech Performance hopefully clear the code and maybe fix a permanent solution going forward. And this is gonna be a two-part video, not a two-part video, two-day video for you guys. Because today, right now, we are going to get out the Camaro. It's a 2015 2SS 1LE, and it has like 3,300 miles on it, and I am the original owner. So yes, it's sort of a garage queen. The R8 gets driven way more. But many of you have been asking for it to be on the channel, on the vlog, so that's what you guys are gonna get, because many of people have asked. So without further ado, let's get a cold start. It hasn't started in, I'd say 2 or 3 weeks, so let's start her up and let's roll. Camaro's out of the way, so as you can see, the R8 there with the 91 Z28 Camaro sitting on top. Now that we have it outside, let's take a little look at her, because many of you have not really seen this car, you know, up close and personal on the channel. It does have a nice little tone to it. It has the performance exhaust on this car. I did pull the NPP chip. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Long story short, valves stay open, hence why you see dirty exhaust on the outside, clean on the inside, clean on the inside, dirty on the outside. Yeah. That's just part of that life. Like I said, it has like 3,000 and some odd miles. I don't know how many exactly. We'll get inside here in just a second. Does have the red Brembo brakes, which is part of the 1LE package. The one thing I'm missing is the RS package. Those of you that don't know, if it is an RS, this SS will be in red, which indicates RS package on the SS. Which also gives you the most notable thing, halo headlights, which I don't have, and yeah, I need them in my life, hopefully soon. When I say soon, anyway. On the interior, smells brand new and looks brand new. Take a little look here. All right, let's jump on in. Let's look to see how many miles are on this thing. Let's see, menu, 3,000. Make sure you're zoomed in there so you can see 3,344 miles on this car. So it is like brand new. Has your gauges down there, being a 2SS, 1SS do not have that. And it does have heated seats, being a 2SS as well, which you can see there, and on the passenger side as well. Let's see, the temp. Oh my goodness, the reflection is terrible for you guys. Anyway, it has warmed up, so let's give it a couple revs here. Sounds good. Does not sound as good as the R8 now, though. I regretfully say that. It does not sound as good as the R8. Nowhere near as good as the R8. So that's kind of funny. But let's jump out of the car here. I am going to jump in it, take it to dinner, just so that way you guys can experience the car a little bit, and then bring it home, park it. Might be the last time I drive it before winter, not sure, we'll see, more to come. But yeah, let's take it for a little drive. Let's roll. For those of you that did not know, all 1LEs, except for the brand new ones, are all manuals, which is definitely the reason that I love this car, because I mean, who doesn't love a manual? And I mean, there's several of you that are like, I don't, but whatever. I guess teach their own, but you know, manual. The only time I guess a manual's not great is like right now. I'm trying to vlog and it's really hard to shift, so yeah, whatever. Here we go, full send. Hey, that's how you do it with a manual. Yeah. All right, so there's a red light, and when you're at a red light and you have a manual, well, you go full send. All right, ladies and gents, we have just arrived in the old Camaro to welcome to Moe's. For those of you that have been here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go in and get some food. All right, guys, we're back in from old Moe's, and it was delicious. You're just gonna take my word for it. Nice and full here, and yeah, you guys didn't get to see it. Sorry. Anyway, moving on. Might as well get a little start up. Oh yeah, yep. She may not be the loudest, but she still sounds good. All right, guys, what's going on? It is like 2 days from now, because you know, life gets away, gets a little busy. We're gonna get the R8 started up, and we're gonna take it over to Spartech. Real normal. This is how it is on cold startup, so hopefully you can hear me. If not, yeah, it's loud, boys. It's loud. Can you hear me now? I don't know, maybe. But if I yell, then you might be able to hear me. Yep, anyway. Yep. And then she calms, she brings it down a little bit. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gents, we are in the R8 and we are on our way to Spartech Performance. As you can see, check engine light, we're gonna get it fixed. Let's roll. We're rolling up to Spartan 4x4 or Spartech Performance. And hey, gotta let them know we're here. Right here. I don't know why everyone's already standing out here. You can't even like hear me. Like, I don't get it. In case they didn't know like I was here and everything, I'm here. All right, guys, walking inside. Hey, got the Spartech Performance on the door now. Moving on up.
What's up?
Holy smokes, the first time I ever come in here and you're not on the phone. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, we got Spartech Performance up there on the TV. Hey, as Stradman says, now we're rolling. All right, so as you guys know, brake calipers are definitely gonna get repowder coated here at some point in the near future. And I picked up 3 colors here that's inside. Obviously this is wrap, 3M in particular. But to make a long story short, wow, I'm really battling this. Okay, so you've got the traditional, you know, red. Let's see, can we get this to like stay on there like somehow? Let's see. Oh, nice. All right, let's see, like step back a little bit. You know, you can kind of envision it a little bit, kind of like what it would look like. That's just traditional red, which I think, you know, is sick. And very traditional, but maybe we ought to do something a little different. Let's see here. Stay with me. All right, I got it. That right there is like, oh, why is it so blurry? There you go. I love that. It's not turning out on camera. I can just tell. That is not turning out on camera. That is gloss blue raspberry. That is sick. And last but not least, we have orange, which Let's see if we can get this one to stay for you guys. Oh, yeah, we can. Let's see. All right. Get it to clear up. Boom. There you go. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What color do you think we should go with? Comments below, let me know, because it's gonna have to happen, because, well, it looks boring. It's boring right now. I'm just saying, it's gotta happen. All right, guys, so we got Matt. He's the man, the myth, the legend, the one that just knows what he's doing. Even if he doesn't, he knows what he's doing. Trust me, trust me. But anyway, so like a 30, because I'm terrible at this. I'm not that guy. I know cars, but then I sort of don't whenever it comes to like check engine codes. No, not your guy, not me. So long story short, in like a 30-second rundown, what were the check engine lights?
So we already cleared the codes, unfortunately, so I don't remember the exact numbers for them. Yeah. But the codes that popped were actually there's two vacuum lines that are controlled through a solenoid and through the intake. And what they do is on the stock exhaust, they pull a vacuum and they open a valve. And when you replace the stock exhaust with an aftermarket one like this, generally they don't have those valves on there anymore. And from the research that I did before I installed the exhaust, there's obviously one of two ways that it can go. One would be that you'll have absolutely no problem with it, and that's the easiest way.
Right.
But
yeah,
unfortunately this time it popped a code, so what it was doing was it was continuously pulling in air, so it was pulling in what's called unmetered air. Okay. So, you know, obviously the motor was then getting more air than it needed.
Okay.
And it was registering a vacuum leak, and it found that those solenoids weren't closing based off of the vacuum diaphragm that would have been in the exhaust.
Gotcha.
So all it requires at this point is just plug in those vacuum lines and it'll get rid of it.
All right, so you guys heard it, man, myth, the legend, my man Matt. If you guys have any exotic cars, he's your man, because guess what? He's gonna learn. He's gonna be the next Jesse from Royalty Exotics. Just letting you know, it's gonna happen. All right, guys, about 9 o'clock at night, we got to roll. There's an R8 and a Lamborghini Gallardo downtown Bowling Green. Don't see it too often, so hey, insider source, it's there. So we gotta go. We gotta be real quiet because the neighbors are trying to sleep because it's 9 o'clock. All right, guys, now we're rolling. We got the Viper, you got the Gallardo, you got the R8, and you got the R8. And that is here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. That's to you, Stradman. You're like, oh, what's always in Bowling Green, Kentucky? Nothing, middle of nowhere. Well, we're rolling pretty deep. Unfortunately, my friend with the Aventador and the other Gallardo couldn't make it out tonight. I sent him a message. But otherwise, these other spots would have been filled behind us. So just letting you know, because now we're rolling. Long story short, today's video is effectively over. We are gonna put the permanent, hopefully permanent solution to the car probably tomorrow. But for now, the check engine light is it gone? Yeah, it is gone. You guys can see right there. So long story short, we are going to end today's video. Please like, please subscribe, and follow Spartech Performance as well, because they are hooking us up. Yes. All right, guys, peace. See you on the next one.